And then after that, we had this whole Super Friends thing. I want to bring that up, sorry. So this, at the time we were running chili sauce, we could not believe this was happening. Mahathir with, Lim Kit Siang and Muhyiddin and whoever. It was so bizarre for us. At that point in time, it kind of shattered this, era of what we thought Malaysian politics was. We always thought it was UMNO and opposition, and all that. And now it's this stew, like a rojak of, various parties, right?
You were already in Bersatu at this point, YB1.
Yes, I was.
The both of you were actually here for this. Did you expect? Did you see this coming?
For me, yes. I knew that Tun Mahathir then, when he was in his jihad against 1MDB, the scandal, I think he told me that he would do anything to topple Najib and to save the country. So that's why he willing to talk to Anwar, lower his ego in order to secure the objective of winning election for all of us.
Yeah. So kan, okay, I think for us, especially yang were closely looking at this, the meaningful takeaway for us in this moment in history was really all bets are off dari sini.
Yes.
Like dari lepas ni, when what we saw happen in 2022, PKR dengan UMNO join untuk create the unity government, itu dah less surprising given what we had seen in 2018.
No, I remember this moment very well. I was definitely against it. I'm not a fan of Dr. Mahathir.
Oh, were you in the room like when this happened though?
No, I just I'm a junior, considered like a mid-ranking PKR member anyway. But I was brought in to write the policy for this group. So I did have a conversation with Mahathir a few times and also with his son in particular.
And so, given all of this, we kind of figure we're venturing into this era of multiverse of madness di mana semua like crossover yang tak pernah dilihat langsung sekarang dah jadi possible in a way that mungkin 40-50 tahun sebelum ni tak pernah possible.
Terima kasih kerana menonton Siapa Makan Cili.
Dan kalau korang ada siapa yang korang nak kita jemput ke show kita, sila tinggalkan di ruang komen di bawah.
Dan jangan lupa subscribe.